Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can create an image carousel in Power BI, which can be done by a custom visual. So first I'll go here and we will select get more visuals. And here we will search for image. And we will use where is it? So this is the one that we will use, image carousel. Let it load. And you can also see how it will appear in your report. You can have autoplay functionality and interactive controls. This can be used for sales and marketing team to elevate your storytelling. You can share your product designs, or you can just have show of company details or customer testimonials, etc. So I'll simply add it, and it will be imported into our visualization pane. Import successful. I'll click OK, and then let's just add it. Let's bring it in the middle. Now here you can see that we have only one field of image. I already have added some data here, and I will show you what it is. So this is the data that I have already added there. So we have image URL that we will be using in the field. You can have this in your images in the web somewhere on SharePoint or any database, but you have to add the link to that image in your field. So we'll go back, and here in the image URL, I will simply drag it and break it in here. Now let's see how it works. It's loading. And now you see how it's appearing. Now let's see further how we can format it. So we go on format your visual, and here we only have one option of properties. Now you can see right now it is auto sliding. So if I remove this, or you can change the interval and space between images, but we will just remove it. So now you can see it's like this. Let's see if we increase the image count, how it will appear. If I can increase it, so it's appearing more, 4 at a time. You can go back to 1. Space between images, we can have 1 or 0. And also hover on zoom. So if I hover over it, it's going to do that. You can remove it if you want, and you can keep it as it is. In the generals tab, it's just simple, any kind of formatting you do for any of your custom visuals. So we will just remove the title, but you can also change the properties, size from here, and all these things. So this is how simple you can create a image carousel in your Power BI report. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.